everyone, so today I'm going to be doing the black palette, blacked out. And I'm going to start out by putting Cosmic Collision on the lid. This is a nice deep purple, but I find that silver in there has like some pinky undertones. I know these were meant to overlay. I'm using them as the base color. I'm going to start out with that pretty silver. It looks like the same exact silver that's in the metallic palette. Then of course I'm going to use the black. I love how the black is picking up on the shimmers of that silver. And I'm going to put this white up here. I'm going to use this to kind of like blend this out. I don't know how well it's going to work. Oops. But that's what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to have to take my finger to blend this. I don't know how well this is going to work, but this is the eyeliner. Oh my goodness, the brush is all discombobulated. Alright, I'm going to put it across. Nope, you got to put it over black. Yeah, this is their black glitter, but it's kind of like sheer or clear or whatever. I'm going to put it over this. Well, it's much better. So this eyeliner is really irritating my eyes. I had a feeling because it felt wet, and I was like, ooh, I hope that doesn't get into my eye, and it did. I'm going to take that silver glitter and I'm going to put that on the inner part of my eye. I'm not going to put that on the other eye. As last time, that black, the shimmer's only on top. Once you remove the top, it's just like a grease gel type of thing. But that's going on the outside. Alright, I'm gonna put fake lashes. I'm gonna do my lashes, finish my makeup, clean up, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone. So I used Bucket List, which is a mauve, on my lips. And now I'm going to put the Cloud 9. I love these shimmery glosses. They really add the finishing touch. I can't tell you the name of this because it's, even with my glasses, I can't read it. It's so small. But it was the darkest. It's almost like a dark gray color. I put that on my cheeks. And I put this first. I put it on my nose and my cheeks. I use this pretty prismatic liner on the inner corner. I tried so hard not to get it into my eye, and it still irritated me like crazy. Yeah, and then I just used the NYX pink. As for my hair,